Hello, this is Scott at Radar Mirror. We repair auto-dimming mirrors for cars that have failed mirror cells. We commonly have clients contact us asking for instructions to remove the mirror. So we're shooting a video today to go over the procedure for removing and reinstalling the interior mirror. This is a common problem with 996 Porsches as well as the 997 models. The instructions that we go over today, this is a 996, but the instructions for the 997 are going to essentially be the same. Now, you're only going to need a couple of tools to remove the mirror. We're using a very thin and flat metal pry tool, and we will be using just a basic pick tool. All right, in order to remove the mirror, there's really just three things that we have to do. If you look behind the mirror here, around the mirror bracket, there's just a plastic cover that snaps together. We're going to need to remove that. After we get the cover off, we need to remove the mirror bracket from the puck that secures it onto the windshield. And then there's one electrical connector that needs to be disconnected. Now, it's worth mentioning that the little trim piece, the cover on the 997 is going to be slightly different than the 996. It should come off pretty much the same way, but this one has a little LED on the bottom, which shouldn't make a difference, but the location of the clips that snap this thing together on the 997 might be just slightly different. All right, the first thing we're going to do is remove this plastic trim piece, and I'm just going to put this tool right up here into the seam and pry this apart. This thing will break loose and comes right off. Okay, now these mirrors are attached to this mounting puck, and it slides. It just slides straight down to get it off. Okay, straight down, consistent with the slope of the windshield. Now on either side, you can see this little gold clamp here. There's one here, there's one on the other side. And so what we want to do is we want to release the tension on this clamp so that we're able to slide the mirror down off the mounting puck. Okay, and it should slide right off. Now what we're left here, we have a electrical connector that needs to be disconnected. Okay, that pulls right off. And that's
pretty much all there is to it.
All right, we repaired the mirror. This is the old mirror. This is the new mirror.
We're gonna reinstall the mirror, and so we're just gonna reverse the removal. You want to start with this plug, snap it in. Okay, there's a channel here on either side. Okay, we want to align these metal prongs. Okay, the mirror should slide right back into place. Now for the LED module, there's a switch over here. And I think that just changes the brightness of the LED. And if you look at this trim piece, okay, there's a little hole here for the switch. And then there's little guides or grooves here where this LED slides into. Okay. We're going to get the left side in place. Right side, and it should just snap right back together, and we're done.